Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans lower on the day while wheat finished up higher. All currently higher to get the day started so far this morning. Had some really big export sales announced for the soybean market this morning. Over 2 million metric tons were reported, so that's huge sales. Completely beat what the trade estimate was. We also beat the trade estimate in the corn market, over 1 million metric tons sold. Wheat, unfortunately, fell short of trade expectations. So corn and beans above trade expectations, wheat short. Unfortunately, if you're looking for a number to help support the wheat market, it wasn't there on the export sales, at least this morning. We also got some sales announced to China. I think it was 118,000 metric tons announced this morning across the 8 o'clock wire as well. So some strong demand for soybeans and corn right now. We're at lower prices, so it's not a huge shock to see that. And then, of course, we've seen such strong demand in the soybean meal market. The cash side, huge basis bump. As we talked about yesterday, that's part of the reason that we've definitely seen this rally here in the corn and bean markets past couple of weeks. So moving forward, weather-wise, not much has changed. There are some spotty locations where there's going to see some showers, but the Midwest and South as a whole, not much out there that should delay harvest. Should get some good field work done throughout this week and throughout next week as well. There's not really any big threats throughout the rest of this month, which the month ends this next Friday. So all in all, things look pretty good for harvest progress. Yield report's still pretty big. Haven't seen a change really since harvest began in that. There's some spotty areas where they might not hit what they're used to as far as yields go, but as a whole, kind of like what we're talking about on the weather side, as a whole, the Midwest and the Delta are seeing some huge yields. And the crop is a big one that's out there right now, and they're wrangling it in. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.